Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to make yourself disappear in a bubble. First, attach your phone to a tripod to make sure you shoot with the same angle. Take a short video of yourself walking forward and pretend to grab the bubble and make it all over your body. Do not forget to take a short clip of the background too. Open CapCut and insert the video. Delete the unnecessary part first. Do not forget to remain few seconds of the background clip right after you disappear. One more thing is to make sure the length of the video has to be within 6 seconds. After you export the video, open an app called Flippa Clip. Tap plus icon and type the name of your project. For the background, you can just choose white color. You can select the canvas size of your final video, and in this case, I choose TikTok. Last one is the frames per second. I choose 10. Tap the 3 dots on upper right hand side and select Add Video. The reason why we need to make our clip as short as 6 seconds is because Flippa Clip doesn't allow us to insert video more than 6 seconds unless you pay to upgrade. After insert your video, the first thing is to tap the bottom right icon and select Layer 1. Now you can use the pen to start drawing the bubble. You need to draw on every single frame. It's very easy at the beginning because you just need to draw a circle. When you touch the bubble, you need to draw the outline of your fingers to make it look more realistic. And then for the part where you try to throw it away, it's better to add on a little drop. You really have to be patient when you try to draw as there are lots of frames. And you need to imagine the movement of the bubble that start covering your body so that you can actually draw it out. And the final part is to let yourself disappear and make the bubble become smaller again. After finish drawing, we need to color the bubble. I choose white color and start to paint on every frame. You have to make sure all the lines are close so that the color won't come out. When you finish coloring, just tap the 3 dots again to save your video, and finally, you got this. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more video editing tutorial. I'll see you next time.